Yeah, man, it's your boy Saturday Gun Day, man. Today, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the Glock 27 40 cal, you feel me? You go ahead and clear it first. Let's show you what in here, you feel me? Ain't nothing in it. First thing you wanna do, you gotta grab on both views. You gotta make sure you pull them down too. Just gotta slide the slide back a little bit. Boom. Pull on top. Push. Gen 4s, I don't know. It's Gen 3. So, yeah. Gotta pull on that motherfucker. I don't know why Glock 27's like that, you feel me? When I had a Glock 23, it wasn't like that. It was way more easy to pull on. So, yeah. So now, pull it on. As soon as the Glock, the rest of this is really easy, so. Yes, sir. That's how you send me your Glock, man. Glock 27 Gen 3. Put the red dot on that thingy. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Tell me some videos y'all want to see. You feel me? Show y'all how they red that is, though. ADE, yeah. Alright, make sure you like, subscribe. You feel me? Deuce.